Hello everybody, welcome. Today we'll be covering the three treasures, Jing, Qi, and Shen, explained in under 5 minutes. Ask what the three treasures are and you'll get the same answer everywhere. Jing is essence, Qi is energy, and Shen is spirit. 3 words, 3 translations, and most people walk away knowing exactly as much as they did before. The translations are fine. What they don't tell you is that these aren't 3 separate things your body happens to contain. They're a single continuum running from coarse to fine, and the whole of the internal work is the management of the relationship between them. The classics call them the Sambao, the 3 treasures. Refine essence into Qi, Qi into spirit, return spirit to emptiness, then unite with the Tao. Lian Jing Hua Qi, Lian Qi Hua Shen, Lian Shen Huan Xu, Lian Xu He Dao. Jing is the most material of the 3, the deep substantial root of the body, the constitutional material you're built from, and the reserve you draw on across a whole lifetime. In the medical tradition, it's associated above all with the kidneys, where it's stored, and bound up with the bones, the marrow, and the reproductive substances. It governs the slow structural processes: birth, growth, maturation, reproduction, and aging. When you meet someone burnt out at the root, prematurely aged, depleted well past ordinary tiredness, you're looking at Jing that's been spent. It's the slowest of the 3 to build and the most costly to lose. Qi is the middle treasure in both density and position. Where Jing is the fuel held in reserve, Qi is the running of the engine. It moves, warms, transforms, defends, and holds the structure of the body in place. It's replenished through breath and food. It's also the treasure you'll come to know most directly because it's the level nearly all the felt experiences of the practice happen at. Warmth, fullness, flow, tingling, pressure, a sense of movement. That's Qi, and I covered it in full in the last video. Shen is spirit, mind, consciousness, the most refined and least material of the 3. In the classical model, it's housed in the heart, and it shines out through a person's presence, most visibly through the eyes. You already know how to read it, even if you've never heard a word for it. Bright, clear, settled, awake is healthy Shen. Scattered, agitated, dull, or absent in the gaze is Shen disturbed or depleted. It comes to the foreground in the later reaches of our path, but you can see its condition in someone across the room. Each treasure is gathered and refined in its own center, and the 3 dantians are arranged vertically, low to high, matching the same coarse to fine order. The lower dantian sits deep in the lower belly. It's the furnace and the storehouse of the whole system, the center associated with Jing and with building and storing of Qi, and it's where the overwhelming majority of the early path takes place. The middle dantian sits in the center of the chest, the center of Qi, and of refining Qi into spirit. The upper dantian sits in the head, mostly felt between and a little behind the eyebrows, the center of Shen, of awareness, and of stillness. The arrangement carries its own instruction. The work begins low, in the most material center, and with the most material treasure, and rises over a long time towards the most refined. Almost everyone who stalls on this path stalls for the same reason. They grew impatient with the lower center and tried to leave it before the work was finished. There is no leaving it, it's the ground that everything else stands on. A beginner who fixes his attention in the head instead, pulled there by the glamour of the third eye, can run into some real problems. So when the early work seems small, slow, and unglamorous, this is why. You're building the base that the whole chain runs on. You can't refine essence into Qi if the essence has been spent, and you can't refine anything with a mind that's too scattered to sit still. Get the bottom of the ladder solid, and the rest becomes possible. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, please comment. Otherwise, get in touch via email or our website. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.